With the Tamron lens utility and the newest lens models, you can easily activate a very useful function. It is called Focus Preset, and it's useful in various situations. This function allows you to preset focal points, for example, to deliberately defocus a subject during a video transition, or to access a focal point for night photography. This feature broadens the range of your visual expression. I'm going to explain how to set the focus preset and its actual use in the field. You need to first connect your lens via USB to your computer. After launching Tamron Lens Utility, click the Start menu. Follow the instructions on the Start screen to connect the lens to a computer. On the Custom Switch or Focus Set button screen, click Select. From the Selection screen, click Select for Focus Preset. Choose the focus speed in the focus speed dialog. For the first time, select 0 and click Save. Remember, the focus speed can be changed when video shooting only. You cannot change the speed when shooting stills. Now you're ready to disconnect the lens computer connection. Click at the upper right corner of the Tamron Lens Utility to remove the lens. A dialog will then pop up and you need to confirm this action. Now we're ready to shoot. Set the focus point by the focus ring at your desired position. After you've decided the focus point, hold the Focus Set button for more than 1 second and this will set your point at the desired position. After setting the focus position, rotate the focus ring to shift the focus point to an object in front. Click the Focus Set button to shift the focus point to this position. Remember, when the camera is in autofocus mode, after you set the focus position and then press the Focus Set button once, the camera mode is automatically changed to manual focus. This will avoid the focus point moving out of the registered point. In order to set the camera mode back to autofocus, press the Focus Set button. To reset the focus point, start the process over to set the focus point again. The speed adjustment can make a huge difference when needing a proper focus pull while shooting video. Try to adjust the speed to get the proper feeling of your planned scene. Oh, and by the way, the lens can still be connected to the computer while it's attached to the camera. Now we're ready to use the newly activated function in the field. Here's a good example: long exposures at night. With the focus preset, you can save your focus settings during the day and then load these during the night when shooting. As you have set the focus during the day, you can activate this function by pressing the Focus Set button, and then the focus will shift directly to the perfect position. The camera does not have to search for the perfect sharpness, as it also was recorded during the day. But even in daytime, when working with very strong neutral density filters, you will enjoy this feature. If you unintentionally touch and move the focus while handling the attached filters, you can just recover the perfect focus position without trying to find a new focus through all these ND filters. So I hope I was able to give you a good insight into how the Tamron Lens Utility works and what possibilities it opens up for every photographer. Thanks for watching.